Wait, before you leave, I need to tell you something important. 3 years ago, I was a struggling pastor facing foreclosure, wondering if God even heard my prayers. That's when I discovered something that changed everything. An 82-year-old minister showed me the forgotten biblical prayer method that the early church used, but somehow got lost in modern Christianity. He called it Heaven's Code, three divine elements that Jesus actually demonstrated in Scripture. Within weeks of using this 5-minute morning practice, I received the exact job offer that saved our home. But more importantly, my prayer life transformed from anxiety to authority, from empty hope to expectant faith. Right now, you have a one-time opportunity to get Heaven's Code at a special discounted price of just $27, but only for the next 10 minutes. This biblical prayer system could transform your relationship with God forever. Don't let this divine moment pass you by. Click below now before this limited time offer expires.